We finished day one of the 100 Days of Building with AI challenge, and today the goal was to find a idea for the first application. Now, this is actually one of the things that I find the most difficult. So obviously I asked ChatGPT to help me with it. So first I asked like a very broad question, like, hey, I'm gonna build 20 apps. Can you help me with finding out what they should be? And so ChatGPT started asking me some questions, and I realized that if I had to answer all those questions, it would take a really long time, and I would probably get super distracted by all the different things that I could or could not build. And so I decided to take it in a little bit of a different direction. And at that point, one of the questions I used was the question about pain points. Like, do you want to solve a problem for a specific audience? And I used that in ChatGPT to ask the pain point for toddlers' parents. So that's a topic I'm very familiar with, and I thought that could be fun to see what it came up with. So ChatGPT gave a very extensive list of all the pain points for toddler parents, and at that point you're really questioning yourself, you're wondering why you ever became a parent, but it also gave some really good ideas. And then I asked it whether it could create some app ideas based on these pain points. And while I don't think that the toddler translation AI is something that I'll be able to build anytime soon, I did really like the activities, the toddler activities app, and so that is what I will be working on. I then was chatting with ChatGPT to help find what content should be in there, how we can structure that content, and some back and forth there to figure out what the app could look like. And then I also tried to get more of a structure of the app and even the UI, but that was not a big success. I can show you, it was pretty horrible. So I decided that that was definitely not the UI that I was gonna build. So hopefully the tool that I will use to build the app will also be able to help me with the right UI. Now, I tried some different tools to find the UI. So one of them was Galileo. It just kept on getting stuck, unfortunately. So it seems to have good potential, but it wasn't getting anywhere for me. And then I tried some other apps that really weren't the way to go, either way too complicated or just didn't give good results. So far, I haven't really have a good wireframe or a good UI yet, but I have a good idea of what the app should look like. So day 2 will be building the app. I'm super excited to try this AI coding tool. So make sure to follow so that you can see what happens in day 2.